let's look at this question also. WASSCE June 2015 question 1b. A number is selected at random from each of the sets 2, 3, 4 and 1, 3, 5. Find the probability that the sum of the two numbers is greater than 3 and less than 7. Okay, so there is a selection which is made from these two sets 2, 3, 4 and 1, 3, 5. And then we are selecting a number, okay, from each. So when you select one here, then you select one from here. All right, so it means that the selection is one from each of them. So at random, you select one here, you select one here, and you find the probability that the sum of the two numbers that is being selected from each of the set given is what? The sum is greater than 3 and less than 7. So what we are going to do now is to get the sample space, okay, or the possible outcomes. So here, what will help us is to form a table for the two sets given, because we are selecting one from each. So you form a table so that you can get all the possible outcomes when the selection is being made. So we have what? We have 2, 3, 4 against 1, 3 and 5. Okay, so if we are selecting one from each, then we can select one from here and go and select 2 from here. So 1, 2, or 1 from here and 3 from here, 1, 3, or 1 from here and 4 from here, 1, 4, or 3 from here and 2 from here, or 3 from here and 3 from here, or 3 and then 4, or 5 and 2, or 5 and 3, or 5 and 4. Okay, so this would be our possible outcome when we are selecting one from each of the sets. Either we select 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 3, or 5, 4. This will be the possible outcome. So, since probability, we will find a number of what? Possible outcomes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number of possible outcomes is 9. Then we are finding the probability that the sum of the two numbers is greater than 3 and less than 7. So let's find the event where the sum is greater than 3 and less than 7. Okay, we are going to look at the possible outcome. Which of them when we add, okay, the sum, when we add, it will be greater than 3, but it is less than 7. Okay, let's find outcomes, okay, which the sum will be greater than 3 and less than 7. We are going to look at them. The outcomes which the sum will be greater than 3 and less than 7. Alright. So 1, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. It's not greater than 3. 1, 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 1, 3 is 4, but it is less than 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. So we can get 1, 5. 1, 4. Which is 5. Which is greater. 5 is greater than 3 and less than 7. 3, 2. 3, 2 is also 5. Which is greater than 3 and also less than 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. Is greater than 3 but less than 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 is not less than 7. 5 plus 2 is also 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So we have to find the probability of some greater than what? 3 and less than 7. Probability of some greater than 3 and less than 7. So we have these outcomes. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. And what is the number of possible outcomes? We have 9. So the sum greater than, probability of the sum greater than 3 and less than 7 is 4 out of 9. So when you get questions like this, where you are given 2 sets and a selection is made from each of them, what you have to do is what? To draw your table so they can get your possible outcomes, and then you answer all the questions that will be asked. All right, so make sure that you also go to the playlist, as I always say, and then you go through the topic that you want, and then you study. Okay, and then any topic that you want us to also touch or give more explanation on it, make sure you comment, and then you are good to go. I'll see you once again in another lesson. Bye bye.